Hey guys, we're back at the Extreme Luka. We're going to teach you how to make waffle figures. First, I'm a big fan of Ninja Kid, so I'm going to do a Ninja Kid head. At least I'll try. So if you want them to show out, you let it cook for a little bit, so then it can show out the thing without even trying to do. It will just mix in if you do the whole thing. I like to add some eyes and a mouth. So Ninja Kids, I know you're out there.
What?
I like your YouTube videos. Nice shark head thingy. Why would you put your dad fighting a shark in the picture? And we're back, and it's time to fill it in. So now we're gonna attempt to cook this. Put a little cheesy eyebrow or in your face. And so we're gonna move it back to the stove for an actual cook. And now we're just gonna wait until it's done cooking. We will pause the video so then it can go faster for you. So guys, we're back and we did pause it, so here's how you know it's time to flip. So you see those like things popping up? Those are bubbles. When there's a whole lot of bubbles, flip it. And it's ready. Here's the hard part, flipping it. That was just the easy part. The hard part is the cheese. Get back in there, cheese. The cheese will burn. So guys, here's how the pancake turned out. Let me show you the face. Yes, this thing is a headband. And it's delicious. So guys, it was super delicious. You should try it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a big thumbs up.